Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Shopify order can be shipped to your location. Firstly, go to Shopify admin, settings, and shipping and delivery. Make sure shipping zones are set up to the countries or regions you want to ship to. Secondly, check product weights. Ensure each product has a weight assigned. Weight is required if your shipping rates are based on weight. And thirdly, verify fulfillment service. If you're using ZenDrop, a print-on-demand app, or other third-party services, make sure products are assigned to the correct fulfillment service. So for simplicity, consider using flat rate shipping. It avoids complications with weight or zone-based rates. And done, your shipping issues should now be resolved, and customers will be able to see accurate shipping rates at checkout. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.